Hello everyone, let's explore some wild animals. Part 2. First up, leopard. 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 Next, kangaroo. 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 Hippopotamus. 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 Gorilla. 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 Rhinoceros. 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 Koala. 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 Lemur. 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 Beaver. 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 Red panda. Redpanda. Red panda. Elk. Elk. Here is your homework. Draw a picture of your favorite wild animal and write their name. Let's test your memory. What is the name of this animal? Kangaroo. Very good. What is the name of this animal? Koala. Good job.